it's been great. See the enthusiasm and excitement around the team, how hard they're working, and the work they've been putting in to get themselves right for the weekend. It's a big challenge. Wallaroos, good side. They brought back some of their sevens players from their Olympic preparation, and they're going to be a very strong team. And it's great to see the determination every day here. The players here are going to really make a name for themselves on the weekend. Obviously, the resilience that are in our people. That's in them since they were in the villages and growing up. That resilience comes out on the field, the ability to get up and go again. And it's just being really clear on the messaging for them so that they know where they're at. And then that's when the resilience can take over, because they know the plan, they know where they're going. And that's why this week's been good, being really clear on putting that plan in place and letting everyone have a clear understanding about where we're going and what we're doing, and it's been really good. We know we know we'll be the physical team, we know we'll have physicality, but it's our ability to get up and go again. And our message really has been to care around what we do and our roles, and make sure that we're just getting up and going again. And everything we're training in is our ability to keep working. So I think there's no question the talent that's in the side. There's no question of the ability to play the game. And we just got to be prepared it's a test match, and we're going to get tested. And I think that's what we're preparing for this week. And Thursday will be a really good training session, which will be test match Thursday preparations. So it'll be a rehearsal for Saturday, and I'm really looking forward to that. I think the big one for us is for our supporters to, they'll come and see the draw. The draw will have their supporters come and watch, and it'll be great for our Fijiana family to turn up, and for all supporters to stay and watch that test match. And as we know, our players they just love to have the crowd there, and we're really looking forward to that.